Hi, and welcome to session 6 of the basics. In the last session, we began exploring effort and how it relates to our meditation practice. Less is often more, and we'll notice this as we arrive at areas of tension in our bodies. When we sit still and become aware of our bodies, we may notice there's a certain discomfort. Sometimes we can change positions if it's a physical discomfort, but it may be something that we're experiencing on a deeper level. This type of tension will only grow the more we try to stop or avoid its sensation. So the skill here is to create space within the body and mind for these thoughts and sensations to come and go. Remember, there's no right or wrong way to do this, and thinking there is will only add to that felt sense of tension. We can simply remind ourselves that feeling what we're feeling and thinking what we're thinking is normal and continue to focus on our breath. So today, try to pay special attention to any areas of tension you feel and notice what happens when you let go. So taking a moment just to get comfortable here, keeping the eyes open to a soft gaze, and just taking a few deep breaths in through the nose and out through the mouth. On the out-breath, closing the eyes and allowing the body to get heavy as it presses down. Feeling the gentle contact of the surface beneath you. Noticing your arms, your hands, your legs, and your feet. Settling into the space, noticing any sounds around you. And just allowing any thoughts to come and go, guiding the mind back to the sounds in your space. And now just noticing your body here as it relaxes and softens. And see if you can notice maybe any heaviness, tiredness, or lightness. And begin to scan down the body as usual, remembering less is more. So when we notice any tension, just noticing and continuing to scan down the body. Scanning down to the toes. And notice if any emotions are present. How do you feel in this present moment? So just noticing and then continuing to scan down the body. And now begin to notice the breath as it moves in and out, feeling that rising and falling sensation. And notice where you feel the breath in the body. And not changing the breath or forcing the breath. Just noticing its natural rhythm. And when you're ready, begin to count the breaths as they pass, counting to 10, and then starting again at 1. With that effortless effort. And when the mind begins to wander, just letting the thought go and returning back to the breath, counting each breath in and each breath out. Breathing in and breathing out. And again, not forcing anything or changing anything. Just watching the breath as it moves in and moves out of the body. And now, just letting go of any focus, letting go, counting the breaths, and just allowing the mind to be free here. And then gently bringing the attention back into the body. Noticing the surface beneath you. Feeling the weight of the body. Begin to notice your arms and legs. Gently invite movement back into your hands and your toes. Take a moment just to notice any sounds or sensations that may be present. And take a gentle stretch if that feels good. And when you're ready, slowly and gently open your eyes. As always, take a moment to just appreciate this present moment and the time you've taken for yourself. And also reflect on how the practice was for you today. How did it feel to notice the tension in the body? Or maybe you found the body to be more relaxed. There's really no right or wrong here. The best part about meditation is no expectations are needed. This gives us the freedom to really appreciate each moment as it arrives. When we set expectations, we can get frustrated when things don't go our way. Meditation treats each moment as new, as fresh, and as an opportunity to practice being fully present. And with time, this will become more familiar. I look forward to seeing you in session 7.